I'm Michelle Guthrie. I'm the Executive Vice President at Cornerstone Bank, and I've been with the bank since June of 2003, and today we're going to talk about home equity loans. A home equity loan is a line of credit using the equity out of your home as collateral. The funds can be used for anything, but most of the time people use them for large purchases. Funding a wedding, buying a car, college expenses, home improvement. At Cornerstone Bank, our home equity loans have a 10-year term, which means you can draw the loan up, pay it down, draw it up, pay it down over and over and over throughout the 10-year time period. Once we get your application, we can close on your loan within about 10 days. And the biggest benefit is there are no upfront costs to you, the consumer. So if you have any questions about a home equity loan, call us at 913-239-8100. We would be happy to help you.